let me continue my stroll along the Gran Via in Madrid right now. It's really an architectural stroll. This big street was built from about the 1910s onwards, when many of the medieval streets were taken down. They simply got too tight and congested. Many of the buildings are now being renovated, as you see. And the Gran Via itself is it is Madrid's busiest commercial street, with lots of stores and bars and restaurants, hotels, theaters, movie theaters. And you will see many buildings built in either Art Nouveau or Art Deco. Very, very impressive buildings. It's a wide boulevard, 3 lanes going in either direction. We even have a shoe shiner here. The first shoe shiner I see in Madrid. You see them a lot in Latin America, but I haven't seen them in Europe yet. So this is the Hotel Strip. Impressive property. What is this building here? Well, it's got a beautiful statue on the roof. There are smaller streets going over in this direction, and I'm going to check that area out in a little bit. Hotels all over the place. There's another shoe shiner. Look at that. There we go. So very, very busy street. It's also sweltering hot. The majority of people are walking on my side because this is the shady side. It must be in the high 20s over here on the shady side. Probably in the mid 30s in the sunny side. That's typical Madrid. Madrid gets very, very hot in the summer. Temperatures in the high 30s or even into the 40s are not unusual, although it does get fairly cool in the winter. So I wanted to bring you along on this walk on this magnificent street here that reminds me a little bit of Chicago. The magnificent mile Michigan, Boulevard Avenue, I think. So it's very, very interesting to see the spirit of Art Deco transcend the oceans and come across to Madrid as well.